start my recording. Then I need another XY, just any point, but it can't be 4 or 2, obviously.
6, 5.
Okay. You don't want to do 2, -1. It's a little smaller.
I guess.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Well, we can do. I mean, I don't want to disappoint you.
No. Let's do 2, -1.
Okay, so to solve it, first of all, you've got to know which one it is. This is where our mistake happens. I had people doing quadratics on that last test when they were supposed to be doing square root. Okay. Even on my key, I did a quadratic at one point. So it's y equals a, but this is a cubic. So it's going to be x minus 4 cubed plus 2. Not a cube root. It's not sideways. And then what do? Plug in our point. So we got -1 equals a. 2 minus 4 cubed plus 2. And then we had weird math happen on the test. You had one of these on the test, and weird stuff happened. So what will we do now? Well, whoever wants to answer.
Add 2.
Subtract 2.
Yeah.
And then what's going to happen right here? 2 minus 4 is what?
-2.
-2 cubed?
-8.
-8a. Notice I didn't do a cube root. That's what we were doing in the test. There was like a squared, and we'd square root it. Now we just work it out. And then we get a equals what? 3/8. So the equation is y equals 3/8. X minus 4 cubed plus 2.
Yes.
Huh?
Like, I love these, but I hate when we have to like do what we did yesterday. I hate those. I love these. So
The graphing. She's good with more of the algebra, but cubic function looks like y equals a x minus h cubed plus k. Notice I don't put a b value in that. Why? We're not ever going to do a b value when we write these. Never, never. You'll always do an a value. Okay, try the next one. Let's see if you can get it. Okay, so HK, did you put 5, -4? I think then the other point is 2, -22. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That means everything's wrong.
You can't say that. Oh my gosh. It's a potty mouth. Y equals a, and we're going to have x minus 5 cubed. I wonder if your mother will watch this. Minus 4. So then we're going to put in -22 for the y. We're going to put in 2 for the x.
Oh my god. You didn't put 2 there.
So we got -3 cubed. So if I add the 4, I get -18. And then this is going to be -3 cubed, which is -27. So a equals 18 over 27 because my negatives will cancel out. This will reduce. 9 goes into it. There you go. So we got y equals 2/3 x minus 5 cubed minus 4.